How to add Loom video on Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix editor page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select add elements. From there, you're going to select embed code, and I want you to select embed HTML. After selecting embed HTML, from here you'll be able to add in the code. But before adding in the code, you're going to tap right here, then select enter code, and you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go onto Loom. From there, you're going to select the video that you'd like to add onto your Wix website, and you're going to tap on the three dots, then select share, and you're going to select embed, and you can either choose responsive size or you can select fixed size with it, and you can enter in the size. So let's say we were to select responsive size, and we're going to tap on copy embed code, then go back into Wix, and we're going to paste in the code right here. Then from there you could tap on update, and after doing that you're going to tap on the X to close out, and you can adjust the size of the player as you can see right here by simply pulling along the end. And that's it. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. Hope you found this video helpful and informative.